Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, if x plus 2 in bracket factorial is equal to 7 times x plus 1 factorial, we have to find the value of x. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Okay, this is a question on factorial. So first, let's look at what a factorial is. Now, for a positive integer n factorial is the same as n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to 1. Now what it means is that if you have a positive integer, then its factorial is when you reduce the number by 1 and you find the product, that will give you a factorial. So if n is here n minus 1 times n minus 2 in that order up to 1, you reduce the number up to 1 and then you find the product. That's all. Example, 3 factorial is the same as when you reduce 3 by 1, so 3 times. When you reduce it by 1, you have 2. And then when you reduce 2 by 1, you get 1. We cannot go beyond. So according to factorial, the last number should be 1. Okay. Now, n factorial can also be written as n times n minus 1 factorial. So in that case, if we have x plus 2 factorial, then we can write it as x plus 2 times, and when we reduce this one by 1, you're going to have x plus 1 factorial. Okay, now to solve this question, let's rewrite it. Divide both sides by x plus 1 factorial. So x plus 2 factorial over x plus 1 factorial is equal to 7. And we have already defined x plus 2. We said that it is the same as x plus 2 times x plus 1 factorial, all divided by x plus 1 factorial, which is equal to 7. So x plus 1 factorial will cancel. So we are going to have x plus 2, which is equal to 7. Then we subtract 2 from both sides. So x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2. So our x will be equal to 7 minus 2, giving us 5. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.